to my channel. Oh my god, this week has gone so fast and we're already at Thursday, which as you know is weigh-in week. Anyway, I went to group tonight to obviously get weighed. I don't feel I've done really well this week. Been really busy at work and I'm still not organised, which is what I said I was going to do last week. Yeah, so I've not been terrible, but I've not been the best that I can be either. And that brings me to say that I have had my first increase this week. So yes, I've put £0.5 pound on this week, which I'm happy that it's only £0.5 pound. But hey ho, you know, it's I have put on. I knew this day would come, so I'm not going to beat myself up about it. But obviously, I've tried to eat a lot of salad as well, but obviously I do like a bit of pickle with that, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, and you have to sin that, and I do have a bit of cheese with that. So, you know, those little extras, I think they all creep up. So I really need to rein it in. I need to sort of rethink on maybe some different options for lunch, because I seem to just keep having the same thing. And maybe my body's just getting too used to that sort of meal, and I kind of keep eating the same sort of evening meal as well, you know, and there isn't anything that you can have that's sort of quick, if you know what I mean. So I've been looking in the Deliciously Ella book, and she does do a really nice easy like tomato based pasta, which I know is going to be completely free. So I'm going to do some research on that this weekend, because we and Sam are going away tomorrow. We're going down to Dorset, so obviously I'll be filming down there. I believe we're going to have some snow, which is not great. We are staying in a caravan as well, so I bet it's freezing, so I need to come prepared, and we need to take loads of blankets and lots of warm clothes. So yeah, but I'm looking forward to being by the sea, taking some good footage for you guys. So yeah, we're gonna have some nice free time. We're off work now till next Wednesday, so it's been a nightmare trying to, you know, finish off and get everything covered and handed over to someone else, even for a few days. So yeah, we're off till next Wednesday, but we are back from Dorset on Monday. So yes, but we've got Tuesday off work as well, which is great, because I have got some more filming to do, but I've just not had time, which is why this is the only upload I've done this week again, which I feel terrible for, because I'm used to my, you know, I like to do 3 uploads a week. And at the minute, and to be fair as well, let me be completely honest, if any of you do like The Walking Dead, I was new to The Walking Dead come October, and I started the season from season 1, and obviously I managed to get through 3 seasons in about a couple of weeks, and then I kind of took a break for a little bit, and the last like 2-3 weeks, every evening I've been watching back-to-back Walking Dead, and I'm currently on season 7. I've got 3 episodes left, and obviously the rest of season 8, and I know currently we're up to season 8, but we're kind of halfway through, so I'm almost up to date. So yeah, I've been a bit bad, and I've been watching back-to-back Walking Dead, I confess. So yeah, so I'm gonna have, as soon as that's done, in another about 11 episodes, I'm gonna have some more free time. So yeah, I need to get back on, because I have things piling up here. I've got a huge amount of parcels piling up here, because I have another wish haul for you. So yeah, and I haven't opened them, and I've got so many, I need to split it into 2 hauls. But yeah, they keep coming quite regularly. I have got a couple more videos that I do need to film as well. So I've got loads in the pipeline, but I've just been strapped for time at the moment. And obviously last weekend we went to Mum's for her belated birthday on Mother's Day. It was Mother's Day last week, so we weren't home anyway, so I couldn't film anything then. So yeah, unfortunately, you know, these family sort of commitments come up, or other things come up, and it prevents me from doing my normal schedule. So please accept my apologies for that. So yeah, I'm going to take the Deliciously Ella books on holiday. I'm going to write a shopping list for when we come back, because obviously we need to stock up the refrigerator. Yeah, I'm going to try and put some nice easy recipes together, and maybe think of some options as well. Maybe use my soup maker a little bit more, because I haven't used that for a few weeks. and you know, see if I can put some quick meals together instead of having the same sort of thing over and over. And it's difficult because I don't really like any of the Slimming World vegetarian food. I find it very bland. So I've tried everything and I didn't really like it, so I'm not going to order that again. I find that anything vegetarian, if you don't add cheese or cream or, you know, any kind of dairy, it kind of tastes like bland. I don't know whether you found that, if any of you guys are a vegetarian. But that's no reason to make your food boring, is it? I mean, come on. There's loads of spices that you can put in there. You know, a little bit of salt and pepper. I always like spices things up, but no, they end up being dead bland. So I'm going to have to start thinking of some ideas myself for lunch and for dinners, and, you know, instead of, and get out, so I'm stuck in that routine of having the same thing. So yeah, I've got to mix things up a little bit, and I think my body's kind of getting used to it as well. So yeah, so £0.5 this week, which takes me back to 11 stone 3. Yeah, I'm still a little way off my target, even though my clothes feel so much better. I mean, the trousers that I have on today are literally falling off my waist right now, and I can't wear them anymore. I won't be able to hold them up. So yeah, so I mean, I'm £3 off 11 stone, and my goal is 12. I've got £12 to go basically to get to 10.5. And as I was saying, I think it was last week, you know, 10.5 might be slightly unachievable. It might be too much for me, you know what I mean? I'm 5'10", so you know, I don't want to go too skinny. And once before, many years ago, when I used to go to the gym quite a lot and I had a personal trainer, I did get down to 9 stone 12. But I was working like 3-4 times a week at the gym, weights, cardio, all sorts. And people said I was too thin. So I need to be careful that I don't go beyond, you know what I mean? Plus, it's harder. I mean, I'm in my 40s, for goodness sake. It's going to be more difficult to lose weight at, you know, at our age. You know, I found it a lot easier when I was in my 30s, especially my 20s. I didn't put any weight on hardly, but yeah. It's really harder now that I'm in my early 40s. So yeah, so I'll have to try and get back on plan. You know, think of some good recipes to do, and we'll take it from there. So anyway, so that's everything from me this week. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Thank you to everyone for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!